Today we're looking at Utrecht oil colors and Legion oil paper from Blick Art Materials. Hi, I'm Scott Meyer with Artist Network, and I have a set of oil painting products that you have to check out. Utrecht has been making paints for nearly 75 years, and it's really clear that they know what they're doing. These paints have a wonderful consistency and rich colors with high pigment concentration. They mix cleanly and cover exceptionally well. They're available in open stock or in curated sets like this landscape set of 9, and both the sets and tubes are really quite affordable, making them perfect for anyone getting started with oils as well as professionals. Now, when you pick up these paints, you also have to grab a bottle of NOOD, the no odor paint thinner, and a pad of Legion oil paper. This paint thinner is a safer alternative to turpentine, and it dries slower than other solvents, making it easier to work with. And I love this Legion oil paper. It comes ready to paint and allows me to build layer after layer of paint with complete control. Go to dickblick.com if you need high quality, affordable paints. As a complete package, you really can't go wrong with Utrecht and Legion.